So it's really, thank you very much, but it makes me always very nervous. Let's start with that. That whether everything will be going to be fine, or I am more nervous to open this brochure also, because I don't know how many names is missing here. Where is the spelling mistake? If there is anybody is not there, so then everybody look at me or us, whatever. Yeah, there is many things happen, but welcome all of you in the summit. This is 5th biennial summit, and we are so happy that for last 10 years we are able to make it. I just wanted to give a brief context that how it has been started. In 2014, in Kolkata Songhet's 10th year, we are just, handful of people has been deciding and brainstorming that what we can bring in this space to for a dialogue, to create a space for people, and that's how this entire summit concept came up in 2014. And then I think with our academic collaboration has been started with Center for Lifelong Learning, School of Social Work, Tata Institute of Social Sciences. And then we have discussed and decided that as part of our academic collaboration, we will make it, bringing this into a formal space. And that's how from 2016 we have started this summit. And another thing I think that very important area which we have decided, two major things, that what is not happening in the country. There is many conference on dance movement therapy and creative art therapy is happening in the country. So what is not happening in the country, that is number one. Number two is there is many conferences, many seminars happen where registration fees is important. Definitely that is very important, but that restrict many people to attend any kind of conference, seminar and summit. Third is that who will be in the summit? Only the creative art therapy practitioner, or there will be a section of people like the people who are working in the social development sector, funding sector, and other places like even not working in the sector, in different health system, education system. So we need to bring everyone, together and create a dialogue. So that's how. And the fourth thing was that this summit will be traveling in different cities, not in only Kolkata or in Mumbai. That is a big pain, but it also has a gain. So we are going started from Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, virtual, Jaipur, and now Lucknow. This is all we are here, and we are very happy that last 10 years we are able to raise, some support, some funding from different people, and people gave many of their love, care and support to us, and that is why it is possible. So for me, I just wanted to thank, this is a space also, we give the thank at the end, and then everyone forgot who is doing what. So I am taking this opportunity just to thank, first definitely Center for Lifelong Learning, School of Social Work, Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai, to be part with Kolkata Songhet for the last 10 years and building this discipline, I say. So that is, and I really wanted to thank Human Capability Foundation and Mariwala Health Initiative to support this for a long time in many ways. That yes, this kind of conversation need to be hard, and I don't know if the representative from HCF today is here, but I know from MHI there is Saisha. So Saisha, thank you, and you will be hearing Saisha also. And there is many partner who is not directly funding us, but supporting in every summit. So a big hands with GATW. Vandana, thank you. bringing all the time people from everywhere, gathering resources and bringing people, that you must visit this summit. So we have many friends from Thailand. Global Fund for Children, who are also bringing, people here. Breakthrough, yeah, giving all the Lucknow support. So as a, supporting organization from the volunteer, from many small things. Then there is Lucknow Bioscope, is also part of the entire, thing, and you are getting all this gift back from Sanat Kara and Lucknow Bioscope. Event partner Repathoar, and venue partner is definitely Lucknow Development Authority. A big hand. Yay! Yes, if I may say, and Kolkata Songved board is here also, and the representative and all the DMT practitioners. So you will be seeing them into the panel. I am not saying too much, but now I wanted to join with me the team who worked, last 6 months tirelessly to make this happen. Where is Namrata? Namrata, are you here? Are you here? I don't know. If anyone seeing Namrata, just, thank her for the leading the summit. So Namrata is there. Surajit, are you here? I don't know. People, please find them. Suhani, co-lead. Surajit and Suhani is co-lead. There is all this, design and everything done by Heap Element. And then social media, Rashi. Akriti, are you here? Akriti is from Lucknow and helping us in many things as DMT practitioner. Shubhra, all that ticket flights, you came, you arrived. So finance and communication of Kolkata Songved like Shubhra, Prarthana, Rinki, Momita and Shravasti. So if I miss anybody, so all the team, all the people, thank you, and I think I take the justice of time. So when we all move together, the world space become much happier place. Yeah, so a big shout out for collective power of collective care and well-being, and for that we are here. And I just wanted to end with one thing, that saying inclusive space and making a space inclusive, eco-friendly, it's really something we have experienced this time. Like, it's not so easy. It is very tough, but we went through that process. We tried, and we tried to make an effort to make this space inclusive, sustainable, eco-friendly, people-friendly. So that's all. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen,